Honestly, I should probably just do a regular segment called Watch Me Stress Out Some Plants. Because it seems to be all I've been doing lately. Watch me stress out some plants. This is basil. This is basil. This is basil. This is also basil. This plant here, there's actually 3 different plants in here, the little seedlings, and I grew these from seed. This is Genovese basil, which is one of my favorite plants to have around, and I want to have a ton of it. However, these have developed some crazy condition that I have no idea what this is. They were doing okay, and then this morning I looked at them. I've had these inside. I grew them from seeds. They've been inside under lights, and they were doing okay. I was pretty happy with the growth. The roots are, coming along, looks like pretty nicely. And all of a sudden, they developed this, it's a little hard to pick up, but there's a little spotty on the leaves, some sort of a strange shine, and the texture became a little, I don't know, it seemed like it was off a little bit. They've been watered, they've been, even fed some nutrients. They were doing great. And then this morning I looked at them, and up in this section here, this top portion of the plant, there's still a tiny little bit. There's black spots, and there was a lot of them, which I am hypothesizing that it was some kind of bug. And it just looked like tiny specks of dirt, but it was all over, and there's still some on here. I am having a hard time really looking, getting a good picture of this. So I whisked it away outside, and I was gonna, at least remove it from indoors, because I didn't want to. I wanted to isolate it from the other seedlings that I have going on. And after a couple hours, those black spots were gone. So that's making me think even more that they must have been some kind of bug that attached itself to the basil plant. And luckily, it's not on anything else. I'm not seeing any signs of this on any of the other indoor plants. But I don't know what happened. The plant isn't looking great. It's not feeling so wonderful. It's feeling okay, like maybe it can come back, but I don't know what's happening with it. These plants here are the same. These are also Genovese basil that I bought as plants at Home Depot. And they have just burned up and died. Now, these were inside under lights. And I don't know, they never really took off. They never really looked that good. They looked great when I bought them. I thought they were going to be beautiful plants. And then they just dropped dead on me, and I do not know where I went wrong. So, can't keep the seedlings alive very well. This plant here, I did start out, look at how much it's just deteriorating. I mean, they're done. They've been done for a while. I just kept them around as an example, but these leaves out of here. This plant I did keep outside when I bought it, and then I moved it indoors because it just like fried up in the sun. It looked, it didn't look good, and I thought maybe I have to keep it indoors. This one I kept indoors from day one, and it was doing much better. I thought maybe I'll just keep it as an indoor plant. Nope, still failed. Completely done. Over here is some Thai basil. And I think that's looking all right. The difference here is I bought a Thai basil plant, and I took some cuttings and stuck it in water. And after 2 weeks, they sprouted roots, and the roots on these are looking really good. These are much older than 2 weeks. It took about 2 weeks for me to start seeing roots develop on the cuttings. As it is right now, they're much older. I've actually kept them in this water, just changing it out periodically for, let's see, Honestly, they've been in here for at least a month. I think it's probably closer to 2 months. I sort of lost track of it. But what I'm going to do today is plant them in some soil and, you know, just see what happens. See if I can make these things do anything. And these are the little pots I'm going to put them in. And I just filled these up about halfway with a soil mix that I've had. And, you know, we'll just see. This will be just a little experiment. Hopefully they do something. But we'll see if they take off in these, and we'll go from there. So I gave these some water. Set them in their little pots. I watered them a tiny bit. I'm going to let that kind of soak in a bit on the top, and then hit them again with some water just to get them going really well. We'll hope for the best.